Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Basecamp and learn how to install it on your PC. Now, I know you might be thinking, Basecamp? What's that? Well, let me tell you, it's a powerful project management tool that can help you stay organized, collaborate with your team, and get things done. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a large corporation, Basecamp can be a game changer. So, without further ado, let's get started on how to install Basecamp on your PC. Step 1. Download the Basecamp installer. To get started, you'll need to download the Basecamp installer from the Basecamp website. Just head over to https://basecamp.com/via and click on the Download Basecamp for Windows button. Step 2. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, double-click on the Basecamp installer file. This will launch the installation wizard. Step 3. Accept the license agreement. Read through the license agreement carefully and click on the Accept button to proceed. Step 4. Choose your installation location. Select the location where you want to install Basecamp. By default, it will be installed in the C:\program whitespace files \Basecamp folder, but you can choose a different location if you prefer. Step 5. Click Install. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Step 6. Launch Basecamp. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Basecamp by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Basecamp. That's it. You've successfully installed Basecamp on your PC. Now that you've got Basecamp up and running, it's time to start exploring its features and learning how to use it effectively. There are plenty of resources available online to help you get started, including Basecamp's own help center and YouTube tutorials. Here are a few tips to help you get started with Basecamp. Create a new project for each project you're working on. Use tasks to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. Assign tasks to team members and set deadlines. Use discussions to communicate with your team and track progress. Use files to share documents and other files with your team. By following these tips, you can get the most out of Basecamp and improve your project management skills. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.